Hey everybody, this is Mr. Zelke, and I am going to talk a little bit about Google Slides. Google Slides are very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a couple things you can do with slides. We'll talk about formatting, and inserting a new slide, adding images, and then presenting. But before I go, I'd like to show you how to change the file name, which I'm doing on all the presentations. So I'm going to change this to example. So you click on it and type the word you want. That way you can sort and search really easy when you look through your drive. Now here I am, I have a slide. I can format these words as much as I want, so I'm going to format it, so I'll click on it, and I could select it. Now after I select it, by just clicking and dragging, I can change the type, the font type, change it to Times New Roman. I can make it larger by clicking the plus symbol or the minus sign. I can make it bold by clicking on the B. I can make it italics by italicizing it with the I. I can underline it. I can change the color by clicking the text color button. I'm going to change it to red. Okay, so those are basics with working with fonts or working with text. If I want to insert more text, I click on the insert button. It'll say text box, so insert text box, and I'll click where I want it, and I'm going to add some text. Go back, select it, and I change the size of it, change it to bold, change the font size, or the font, excuse me. And once I have it selected, I can move it around by just clicking and drag. Click and drag is the key. When I move this, I can click and drag. And there are guides that are sometimes on there for you to show that it's centered or aligned with something else. It's centered. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert a new slide. So remember, a slide, the Google Slides is this set of slides. So we're going to insert a new slide. So you go to Insert, New Slide. Then you can add a title if you'd like. I'm just going to put Slide. Click and type. Follow directions on the screen. Now, instead of adding more text, I'm going to just get out of that, and I'm going to insert an image. So Insert, Image. I'm going to search the web. Search for a cat. Click on the one I want to insert. Click Insert. Now to resize it, you look for where there's boxes, there's corner boxes on the image. Click on it with the arrow. When you get an arrow, you click it and drag. Another click and drag option. And you move it around by clicking and dragging. So when you have an arrow like this, that means you're changing the size. When you have the crosshairs, you just click and move it around. Now once you have your slides, you can present them. So I'm going to go to the first one and click on it to select it. Over in the right hand corner, you'll see the word present. Go ahead and click present. And there's your first slide. To go to the next slide, you just click. And then click again. Escape will get you out of the presentation. So just making slides, there's many more things you can do with transitions, backgrounds, layouts, and that kind of thing, but that's just to show you the basics of how the slide program works. So that's Google Slides. If you want any more information or you have any questions, please let me know and we can add to our list of tutorials. Okay, I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll talk to all of you soon.